Hey there! Welcome to OctaTalks, where we explore the exciting intersections of technology, business, and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of dropshipping, a game-changer in the world of e-commerce. But what exactly is dropshipping, and why is it capturing the attention of so many aspiring entrepreneurs? Let's demystify it together. At its core, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model that turns the traditional way of doing business on its head. You don't need to keep products in stock. Instead, you partner with suppliers, list their products on your platform, and only purchase inventory when orders come in. These orders are then directly shipped by the suppliers to your customers. It's a whole new way of doing e-commerce. The allure of dropshipping is clear: lower upfront costs, a wide range of products to offer, and flexibility. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges too, like potential issues with supplier reliability, slimmer profit margins, and the ever-present competition. It's not a guaranteed goldmine, but it's worth exploring. Before you jump into the dropshipping game, you've got to lay the groundwork. Think of it like constructing a building. You need a solid foundation. Consider things like understanding the business model, handling legal formalities, and mapping out your initial investment. Your platform is like the virtual storefront of your dropshipping business, and choosing the right one is crucial. You've got options like hosted solutions, think Shopify or BigCommerce, that offer convenience, or self-hosted platforms, like WooCommerce or Magento, that give you more customization power. Keep an eye out for features, scalability, integration with suppliers, and cost implications. Finding your niche is like setting your compass for success. It should be something you're passionate about but also in demand. Research, analyze trends, study competitors, define your target audience, consider profit margins, and gauge future growth prospects. Your niche should ideally have lasting appeal. Your dropshipping success heavily relies on partnering with the right supplier. Look for suppliers with a good reputation and reviews, a quality product range, integration capabilities, reasonable shipping times and costs, excellent communication and support, and clear return and handling procedures. Dropshipping isn't just about individual businesses. It's making waves across the entire e-commerce landscape. It's changing the way we think about retail, democratizing entrepreneurship, promoting sustainability and efficiency, adapting to consumer behavior, and driving innovation in supply chain management. In the end, dropshipping is more than just a business model. It's a testament to the flexibility and dynamism of modern e-commerce. It offers opportunities and challenges, and success comes from continuous learning, adaptability, and understanding the market. If you're eager to learn more about tech, business, and beyond, don't forget to subscribe to OctaTalks. We're here to help you navigate these exciting waters. Thanks for joining us today.